Welcome guys. So I've been working with crypto testing platforms for roughly 8 years now, and honestly, finding legitimate services in this space has become incredibly difficult. The amount of scam operations flooding YouTube, Google ads, everywhere you look is genuinely staggering. I'd say realistically, 88% of platforms advertising Flash USDT services are running some form of fraud. It's gotten to the point where discovering trustworthy providers feels almost impossible, but there are still a few legitimate ones left if you know what to look for. Flash USDT is one of the rare platforms that's actually proven reliable. I've been working with it around 15 months now, and its consistent operational behavior, transparent processes, and zero unexpected changes. So how does Flash USDT technology actually work when it's implemented properly? You're generating tokens that replicate genuine Tether flawlessly inside wallet interface, displays exactly as authentic version would. The customization aspect is what differentiates them. You're setting transfer count restrictions, establishing duration windows, defining daily transaction limits. Highly valuable for application testing and demonstrating blockchain operations practically. So let me show this working in real time. Okay, I've got the dashboard loaded. First choice here is quantity selection. 4 different package tiers displaying, each shows pricing breakdown and intended scenarios. I'll go with this tier. Good. Now I'm setting visibility duration, options spanning 1 hour through 7 days. For this demonstration, locking in 7 days. Good. Next requirement is target address input and network selection. Okay, choosing TRC20 network, flipping to my wallet, grabbing the address, switching back, dropping it in. Perfect, everything aligns. And last step is hitting buy flash. There it is. So 2 payment routes available, direct send to provided address or wallet linking. Wallet linking is more straightforward. So picking trust, transactions processing, and yep, excellent. 500K tokens just generated and sent, just waiting for confirmation happening. So while confirmation happens, let me break down why this specific app has my trust. So when I eventually discovered it, my methodology centered completely on verification before any trust. Initial move generated absolute minimum quantity and immediately verified transaction hash through TronScan independently. Confirmed genuine smart contract deployment, validated via actual decentralized network nodes, real blockchain activity happening transparently. Second verification, engaged support with specific technical questions before purchase. Received detailed human written responses within 6 hours addressing each point thoroughly. And that verification process reveals fundamental differences. Legitimate blockchain activity confirmable through independent public sources. Delivered functionality precisely matching advertised capabilities. Responsive, knowledgeable support addressing real technical issues substantively. Sustained, reliable performance across extended usage period. Occasional minor delays happen during peak network congestion. Support response might extend to 3 days during extreme high volume periods, but these represent normal operational realities, not red flags. Here's what you need to grasp. Scam operations have become increasingly sophisticated. Many fraudulent platforms now look more legitimate than actual real services. Your defense comes from verification habits, not trusting professional appearances. Always independently verify blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting any platform. If claimed transactions don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers that anyone worldwide can check, it's fraud, regardless of how convincing their dashboard looks. Real, legitimate services operate with complete transparency because actual blockchain activity is occurring publicly with nothing to hide. Links in the pinned comment and description. Build practical knowledge here safely, avoid the expensive, painful lessons I went through personally. Share your experience after testing. See you guys.